This 2025 Alliance RV Valor 41V16 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania, 17022 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV and features Sleeps 8, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.